The world needs things to change. We can't keep going the way we're going. CellExcel wants to be there with a solution to the problem. CellExcel is aiming to help manufacturers transition away from a plastic and PFAS-based product line to more of a biomaterial product line. We're here to try and make those biomaterials to the standard that these companies require. The PFAS is perfluoroalkyl substances, Teflon and derivatives of Teflon, and they're used to make materials waterproof. It's in all of our water and all of our food. It's become a pervasive environmental pollutant. Being the Norwich Research Park, we can do more analysis, more testing, more development. It went from, we're kind of struggling here, to 10 to 15 companies that wanted to work with us. Research requires specific conditions, and they're pretty much perfect here. If we can get these large companies to a place where they don't need these nasty pollutants, then that's a better world for everybody, right?